Alright, so it's been a while since I posted a video, so what I'm going to try to get here today is this Abus E60. Had to be careful because I removed the clip and the whatever that is off the back just to speed up the video a little bit, but you can see it is quite a paracentric keyway, but try to get it picked on camera. I'm just going to be using a thin wiper insert on the top of the keyway and a Peterson standard hook. I'm using pretty heavy tension there. Got a click out of 6. Everything else feels kind of springy. So might have dropped pin 6 there. Nope, I think it's good. Got a click out of pin 1. Click out of 2. Feel like I'm getting some counter rotation there on pin 3. And click out of 1 again. Oh, drop something. A little bit of a turn on the core and then a pretty deep false set there on pin 1. Getting some counter rotation on pin 3. And there we go. Whoa, gotta open. Alright, let's get this bad boy opened. This will be the second take on this video. The first time the way the tailpiece is on this, I got a little, got the follower in the wrong position, and yeah, pin 6 came flying out first, but I'll try to make sure we watch it this time. And I think I'm just going to lock it back up and pull it all straight out. Try to watch that. Alright, so should come straight out. Alright, so pin 1 is a standard steel pin. Pin 2 is a standard steel pin. Pin 3 is looks like a mushroom. Pin 4 is a mushroom pin. 5 is a mushroom and 6 is a mushroom. It doesn't look like we have anything inside the core there. No, there's nothing inside there. Alright, so get these all turned around. Let me show you guys one of them there. Yeah, it's got like a little spool mushroom top on 4 through 6. You have a T-pin, it looks like. I'll give you guys a close-up here in a second. Standard steel pin. Not really sure what to call that. Serrated reverse mushroom pin or something. A spool and 4. Spool and 5. And a standard brass pin in 6. And there's nothing going on inside there. So yeah, it just has these 2 anti-drill pins, hardened inserts, that paracentric keyway, quite a few security pins, 4 different security pins. And mushroom key pins. So yeah, it took some getting used to with this keyway, but it's a standard 25 thousandths Peterson pick. It doesn't have too crazy of a bitting on it though. You're gonna focus. There we go. But there it is, the Abus E60 picked and gutted. Thanks. If you guys like this video, go ahead and click subscribe, and yeah, that's really it. Thanks for watching.